Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you additional ways to create events in Google Calendar. So if you click on the day you'd like your event to be scheduled for, you get this little pop-up window. And I have other videos explaining how to work with this window, but in this one I'm going to show you what happens when you click on More Options. So when I click on More Options, it takes me to a page where I have full control over the details of this event. All right, so notice a lot of the settings that you can set for this event in that little pop-up window are also available here. Dates. It doesn't have a time yet because I have all day selected. But notice if I unselect that, I can now set times, determine when something repeats, add a Google Meet to it, location, notifications, and whatever. But this is a second way that you can create events on your Google Calendar. Like a lot of things that you can do in Google, there's oftentimes more than one way to do it. And if you'd like to take a little bit more control, have a bigger interface for creating these events, you can click on More Options and you will get a full page to determine what characteristics and settings for your event that you would like.